The sea has ended, all the children are gone. Something good inside me helps me to carry on. I ate some bugs, I ate some grass, I used my hand to wipe my tears. Kiss your mouth, I break my vow. No, 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 no way, Jose. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Encarnación, Encarnación, Encarnación. Chur Whanau. Morning whanau, hope you're doing good. And Joshua. Hi Joshua, hope you're doing good. Thank you for the subs, man. You really didn't have to, but much appreciated, brother. Oh, and Low Gains, most beautiful intro ever. Cheers, brothers. Oh, whanau, how are you today? Sorry I'm late. I'm gonna be late for tomorrow too, because I'll be watching Dave. I might stream early normal time tomorrow just to give myself a surprise. So I've been watching I don't want your money, I want a queen. Good one, good one. Ali Bairami, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to. Rather sub to Broxh than any other streamer. Thanks, man, but it's up to you. I mean, I would rather see you look after yourself first. But much appreciated, brother. Now, I've noticed something on this carving that I only picked up on yesterday. I mean, it's been in front of me this whole time. And the design is off by a lot. I mean, it's part of it, to be honest. But if you want me to... Trump 2020, oh, we got an egg in the chat. I don't really care about him, bro. I live here, not over there with you. Are you a cricket fan? Nah, brother. Can we get Dave to sort this stream out so you're not late? Garfunkel, I'll jump on normal time tomorrow. Just give myself a surprise for when he's finished. Yeah. Much love from the US. Cheer, base Scott. Yeah, keep your Trump 2020 to yourself, man. And Aotearoa. Archie Da, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. You do, brother. Cheer, Garfunkel. I made it to the stream. Welcome, Sam Turtle. Instead of looking and Panda's stream. Cheer, bro. Still repairable? Yeah. I mean, you just drop it down. Easy as. But I'll leave it up to you. If you want me to leave it there, I'll just leave it there. Otherwise, yeah, I'll just fix it. I ate some bugs, I ate some grass. I used my hand to wipe my tears. Nitros, thank you for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. My name is Cork. Oh, okay. Well, Pox, bless your heart. Oh, thank you, brother. No, bless you, man. Okay, we'll finish off these two today as well, since we're doing Pākahis. Unless you want to, then we break our vows together. Hey, Uncle Roadworks, cheer, brother. Encarnación, Encarnación. Cheer, brother Joshua, looking good. Thank you, brother. Love you, man. Keep up the grind. Thank you, Gummy Bear. 'Cause I'm a gummy bear. 'Cause I'm a gummy bear. Much appreciated, my brother. Thank you for that. You didn't have to, but thank you. I wrote a song while I was out in New Ireland. Do you want to hear it? Thoughts on the dodo bird? Can't think about them because they're not here. Well, Ice Age. The Ice Age is going to force us underground for a billion years. And you got 3 watermelons. If you think you're smart, then doom on you. Doom on you. Doom on you. Yeah, I see Ice Age. I don't know why I'm cracking up so much at that Nacho song right now, but it is the song, Uncle Roadwigs. But ever since Thunder told me he was into that movie, it's pretty much overs from there. See, I just say, it is the best. High five. Thank you, Teagle Pro. Thank you, brother. Hey, liberal cheesecake. Sorry, brother. Nacho Libre, legit goat movie for me too. Bro, that's pretty much how me and one of my good bros used to talk at high school, bro. So who here likes English class? And me and him are like, it is the best. Jack Black has got vocals, yo. It's a good one to jam. Yeah, Hardcore. He's got a mean singing voice. Thank you, Surges. Even, what's the other one? Even his tribute song. One day, me and my brother Carl right here, we were hitchhiking down a lone and lonesome road. And we played the first thing that came in our head. It just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look into my eyes, it's great to see it. 1 make 2, 2 and 1 make 3. It was destiny. Once every 100,000 years ago, when the sun does shine and the moon does glow and the dust does blow. Doodle-doodle. Anko Ghost. Yo, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. And Pandam. Thank you too. I'm gonna call you Rob Pandam now. Rob Pandam. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. And DJ Austin. Ooh, Kobe. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to, but thank you. I got Prime solely to watch the new season of The Boys. What's that one, bro? I heard the bro, one of the bros talking about it. And we played the first thing that came to our heads. Just so happened to be the best song in the world. In all honesty, I paid to see Broxh in concert. You know, Kobe. Everybody know Kobe, find the past. Ain't nobody know about Austin. Say, screw them booger balls too, brother. Thank you very much for the resub, my bro. Damn, it's been a long time. Oh, I'm just too slow and I missed your comments. That sounds like the most Broxh thing to do. Thank you very much for the 5 months in a row, brother. Damn, that's a long time, my bro. Much appreciated. Geo and Crew. Thank you guys for the subs, man. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. The Boys is a super dark take on superhero, super good Carl Urban stars in it. Oh, yeah. And he, like, pretty much eye beams that whole crowd that's hating on him. Is it that one? I think I've seen a short on that from the old YouTube ads. Preparing to go to bed, hope you're well too. Oh, check, Kaike. Greetings from Italy. Hello, brother. Greetings from Belgium. Damn. Well, that looks so detailed. Oh, thanks, brother. Yeah, we might do a bit of fixing up today. I only just noticed it on the Instagram post, but I was gonna take it down, but I went, bugger it. Leave it there. Roman Empire. Ooh. Danner. Thank you, Roman Empire, for the sub. Much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. Once every 100,000 years ago, where the sun does shine and the moon does glow, play the best song in the world, or I'll eat yourself. What's good, bro? Cheer, bad man. Cheer, my brother. And we played the first thing that came in my head. Just so happen to be the best song in the world. Baby, I don't want to do this duty, cooking duty. So if you get KFC and then reheat it, can you then eat it cold? I'm going to... I like chicken, it's indulging in the best of times. But I'm also hungry. I mean, I've done it and I'm still here. What do you do if you take a massive chunk of whatever? So there's a way to fix that. So if you take like a large say I took this whole nose out, what I would do is just cut a square block out and implant and recover it. Hey, Chur Jiggy. Really, everything about that song is it didn't sound anything like this song. This is just a chirpy. Cuckhead Gaming, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Okay, I gotta go. Love you, brother. Cheer, God of all life. Much love to you too, brother. Have a good one. And Cuckhead, thank you very much for the bits, man. Sizimo? Jeez, I hope I said that right, brother. Thank you very much for the subs, my dude. You didn't have to, but thank you, brother. Wonder when our mate Thunder Punch is on. So who watched the latest episode of God of High School? Whoo! Hype. Nyobu! You being like, glue a new block on? Yeah, pretty much, that's all you do. Just, that's what I done on those two big pieces. I cut like the section out where it was rotting, put a block in, shaved it down, and it was all good. Hey Quinn, kia ora. Cheer, my bro. Thank you for that, brother. Now, you bloody know you didn't have to. Well, much appreciated, my bro. Once every 100,000 years ago, where the sun does shine. That song's stuck in my head now. Who's seen the Tenacious D movie? Bro, I seen your piece you're working on at the moment. You'll go to high school one, Jiggy. Bro, it's mean as. A lazy Indian. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, my bro. Oh, damn. Silver's here. Hey, brother Silver, how are you? I'm not even gonna say you didn't have to because you don't even listen anyway. But you can look after yourself. Oh man, TY for the gifted sub. Oh, nice. Tēnā koe te parata. Ei, tēnā koe te piri. Tauā brother, tauā. Oi. Pēhea ana, kai te pai, pa. Ahua makariri tēnei rāwa, engari, kai te pai. Me haere tonu nā mahi. Hei te pēhea koe, brother. Sorry, brother, I've been here, go don't listen. Yeah, we know DJ Khaled. Another one. Another one. You don't have to. You don't have to. The Trevi Patty. Bro, his quarter pounder looks a bit smally. And the Travis Scott feed. I'll be like, oh, I'll need about 3 of those if I want to get full. Back in the day, chewing anus folder. You can take Kate back to hell to be your little bitch. Surely come down to Whakatane forces. Oh, I don't smoke that stuff, brother. But I'm usually over there all the time with my whānau. My in-laws live there. We need a Broxh burger. Okay. Little making brogress. Yeah, brother. Metadoc-tox. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to? Okay, this is my ideal burger. So, obviously, you gotta have your buns. Now, I don't eat butter. That's the difference with me. So I don't have butter. I usually have mayo and ketchup, as some might call it. So I have my onions. What else do I have? Some lettuce, or lettuce leaves, or whatever you want to call it. Tomato, egg, beetroot, and a patty, a nice thick patty with cheese on it. Tēnā pai au, kei roto tonu au i te wharekuri. Whai muri taku ko he te ati ki a Minita Jones. Oh, true, brother. Yeah, I forgot to charge the iPad too, so we're listening to my voice. You can take cake, fry, shoestring, onion. Bro, those are mean, eh? What's your favourite meal box? Like your real favourite, I can. But I love a good stew with bread. Bro, stew is good, man. My all-time favourite meal. What's a meal that I love to eat all the time? Well, not all the time, because it's special and you don't want to get bored of it. Damn, that's actually a good question. Oh, we got a spider in the chat. Spider-Man, Spooderman, does whatever a Spooderman can. Cheer, brother. My favourite all-time meal? Man, that's a hard one, eh? I mean, can't go past a Sunday roast, eh? That's probably one of my favourites. Roasted veggies. I gotta have roasted veggies. And what's that stuff you put on it? I don't even know what the name of the cheese is, but yeah, Mrs. Broxh makes it all the time. Every now and then. And, but it's nicer on the second day. Kalua pig and cabbage. True. Thanks for the posture check too, brother. His favourite meal is Vegemite. Oh, I can't stomach it, eh? Either one of them. Mince on toast, yeah, that's a goodie too. Beef, definitely beef. How long you been woodcarving for? Geez, 16 or 17 years? You can take Kate back to hell To be your little bitch. Lunch on toast is a classic. Yeah, hard. Gotta get Mrs. Broxh on a cooking stream. One day when she's not shy. Yeah. Hold on, Vado, just check cutting these and then I'll clean them up. When you're coming to America, when everyone stops being silly, I guess. Chichi, my boy, on the smoko vibes again. How's the mahi coming on? Hey, Chur Whanau. Yeah, all good, my bro. Got a bit of fixing up to do, but hey, aha, me haere tonu ngā mahi. What's your mahi, my bro? I see you on there. Do you do like electrical pipelines or something? How much longer does it take to finish a piece? Oh, trust me, I'll tell you this, I'm not even halfway on this one. But once I go looking for this wood on Friday, I'm going to put it to the side and do these commissions. Even though this has become a commission piece now. Hold on, Whanau. I'll just do about 2 more and then I'll come back to the chat. Just check cutting at the moment. You can't take Kate back to hell. I can't sleep. Oh, it's all good, Sam. Just come and chill here. You might fall asleep watching the stream. Who's the next famous person I would love to carve wood in? I mean, he's in the country, so Taika Waititi would be cool. Or How to Dad. How to Dad would be another one. Did you watch Tenacious D lately or something? Nah, man, I just... Nacho Libre. Hey, cheer, brother, mahalo. How are you, my bro? To be your little bitch. I see that pop, that's a good sound. Should hear one here. No. Want to hear a pop here? Nope. I did not mean to blow your mind. Nacho, greetings from Austria? Is that what you're trying to spell out? Hope you're doing good. Hey, Red Prefer. I'm all good, brother. Alright, I better go. Pai te pāho chi. Tēnā koe I te parata te piri. Kia pai tō rā, brother. Hey, Broxh, did you eat my burrito out of the fridge, mate? Absolutely destroyed it, mate. Never to be seen again. Kiss that burrito goodbye. Do you use sandpaper or anything, bro? Yep, but not on these types of carvings, brother. If you want to get it clean, you got to push clean it. We only use sandpaper on like weapons and stuff. But we don't use our weapons for the old purpose anymore. It's more for performances and yeah, pretty much. Because I did one on stream, but I couldn't stream the sanding process because the servers were down for like a whole week. At the time I was trying to look for a solution to get it sorted. Installing fibre cables and a bit of a whānau busy. Yeah, mean. That's mean. Hey NZ Mo, thanks for streaming again, my dude. Kia ora, Ruby dude. Dub. Hey, Rain. Hey, brother. Congrats, bro, as well. I seen that partner thing. My bad, I haven't been in any of your streams, brother. Yeah, usually after stream I just get busy, just chilling with the whānau and dadding, really. Gmo J, yo, much appreciated for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to, but thank you. I don't know what this dude's trying to spam, but I'll give him a time out, eh? Time out, eh? Well deserved. There we go, mate. What's up, man? How's your day going? Hey, brother. Yeah, my day's going good. Sorry for starting late again. I was watching Dave Greco art, drawing one of my Warcraft characters. And yeah, so you started it yesterday. Oh, it's been cool watching it come together, eh? Crother, hey brother. Hello from the past, Broxh. Hey man. How are you, man? Greetings from Ecuador. Hey brother, yeah, I'm doing pretty good, bro. Wednesday here, and yeah, it's still cold. But other than that, yeah, all good, brother. Ooh, this doesn't look good, it's moving a lot. And it broke. Oh well. That'll be the split in the timber over here that made that happen. So what we will do is just readjust this one that broke. I'm actually meant to move to Auckland for an internship with Maori media company Mahitahi Media, doing editing and oosh. Because of COVID, it's held off probably next year. Mean, brother! Oh, that's mean. I need to learn how to edit, eh? I already got the name of my editing name, I'm gonna call it. My editor's name. It just seems like a real cool skill to have, to be honest. Oh, bro, get off my carving, bro. Fat man with a limp. Hey, brother. Much appreciated for the bits, my bro. Happy little accidents. Yeah, my bro. Garfunkel. And cuckhead again. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Chur, Kristen. Chur, bro. How are you? You my favorite streamer. I love you, champ. Hey, Tommy. Chur, brother. Yeah, I'm all good, bro. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Thanks for asking. Hope you are too. Hey, Fanta. Are you on Smoko? Okay, let's get these angles cut. Then we'll eventually have to readjust them. Yeah, Dave's piece is coming along quite mean. Not as cool as you. Oh, thanks, brother. Chat seems real chill and slow today. Am I late or early? Oh, no, it's just, yeah, it's all good. Everyone's just chilling. Cheers, Spanky. Absolutely incredible. Thank you, Zathan. Yeah, it's all good, eh? I bought my canvas I need to get some cool paints too, but I don't know what ones to get for what I want to do. I'm not a painter, eh? I'm gonna like fully wing it. Shit. Just listening while I dig holes. Hey. There's Bob Ross on Twitch now. I went to find him on Netflix, but he was gone. My daughter was gutted. Yeah, his channel goes live every weekend. I usually try and get around to hosting it every weekend. He's too good, eh? He's too good. Thank you, guys. Winging it is just your style. Yeah, so what I want to do might be a bit out of my talent zone. So I have the painting skills of a 5-year-old, but that doesn't matter because I'm just going to do it anyway. But I will see how we go. I don't know if I should get that scrapey knife thing, because I probably won't paint all the time. I mean, I'd love to, but I probably won't do it all the time. So it's a pretty mean opportunity for me to do a lot of stuff with Maori TV, so it's going to be solid mean, brother. Yeah, that's going to be mean for you, bro. Army veteran, thank you very much for all the bits, man. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, but thank you, man. Oh, and again, jeez. Hey, booing, just Calbo, thank you very much for subbing. You didn't have to, brother. If you're new here, just make sure you look after yourself before you think of subbing here, brother. With all the crap that's going on around the world. Oh, again. Holy cow, bro. Thank you, man. Oh, no. Gubby. Gubby, what are you doing? Yo, Gubby, much appreciated for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you, man. Much appreciated, brother. I don't know what I'm only just cleaning, but thank you. Hey, Brewing, how's things, man? Yeah, things are all good. It's still cold here. I mean, I've got a singlet on. I should really put my coat back on. But yeah, other than that, brother, yeah, everything's, yeah, all good. Chill. You can take... Put it back on before I get cold. What you laughing at, Guppy? Big Lorraine, much appreciated for the bits as well, brother. Damn, that's a lot. Same with Army veteran. Jeez. Evil characters, and it does not help at all. Yo, give us a rundown on a character, brother. Like, who's one of the evil characters that you're doing a story on? I'm guessing it's an original? How did I keep you? Better get back into some way. Have a solid stream. Chur, brother. Chur, have a good one, eh? Chur for dropping in on your smoke out. Ooh, I feel it everywhere. It's cold breathing in the dark. Take me, I don't lead you there. only out your love. Tell us support. Thank you, Gubby. Much appreciated, brother. It's pretty late here. Thanks for giving me pre-sleep good vibes. Chur vicious Valkyr. You have a good one, brother. You must get some good wood chips inside your gumboots. No, not at all, brother. Like, yeah. I don't think I've gotten any wood chips in my gumboots once. Like, yeah, no, I can't think of any that have gone into my gumboots. LAB has been at the top of my playlist all month because of this stream. Nice, brother. Who needs music when you have the singing voice? Oh, thanks, brother. Just pop here. Sorry, this is taking a bit longer than usual. I don't know why. It's probably me just being picky guy. It's looking good now. Oh, get out of here, man. No political crap. The only political thing you should be saying is kill Sylvanus. That's all. What is your favourite Tenacious D song? You sang a few now. Yeah, nah, I can't go past Tribute, eh? That's probably one of my favourite Tenacious D songs. Sam Scream, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. You didn't have to, brother, but thank you. Not Sylvanus, my queen. Oh, he's like Sylvanus. I look forward to sinking my ex in her skull. Not the Sylvanus. Who's Sylvanus? Ah, she's just some dead weight that needs to be put down on World of Warcraft. And say, cheerio, Blotty. Cheer, my bro. Do you like heavy metal? Nah, not really, brother. Mr. Siamariko? Kimarikon? Oh man, I hope I said it right somehow. But much appreciated for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, but thank you. Looking forward. I hope we see Sarafang. I know he's probably going to be in the mall getting tortured and shit. Just because Girly can't win a fight fair and square. Please follow my channel, please. Oh, you could have said hello first. The Dark Queen, she's also in Heroes of the Storm. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, bro. I'm glad I said it right. I'm passing through here and seeing the positive. Keep it up, man. Thank you, TKK. Can I ask how did Jacinda Ardern find out about your stream? Serious question. Not gonna lie, even I don't know. She wasn't the one that contacted me. It was her secretary from the head office. So they rang me up. Hello. We were wondering if we could get in contact with Broxh. We really like to talk with him, and I was sitting there going, oh, I don't think these guys know that it's me. And oh, okay. In contact for who wants to know? So oh, just Jacinda Ardern. See me, hey. Like Auntie Jacinda. And then she started cracking up laughing. Said me, hey, nah, I feel like you're lying to me, lady. Why are you trying to punk me like that? Hey, now he wasn't winning that duel versus the Queen. Oh, we got a simp. Sylvana simp. Nah. Yeah, she wasn't because she's a little bitch. So her secretary, yeah, really healthy nails. Oh, I don't use a nail clipper. I just rip them off. I think Sarfang is in the same covenant as Uther. Nah, he'll be in the Moor. It's so all the recent deaths would have gone there. I mean, it hasn't shown anything on him, but no doubt he'll be there. And then Broxh will turn up and cut her head off. And then Sarfang will kick it down the hill. And then Dranos will use his accent baseball home run it into the Moor. Yeah, I have no love for Sylvanus. Get out of the horde. But going back to Auntie Jacinda. Yeah, no, my back's all good. But he always... It was everything that was fair. Are you a fairy? Just curious because of your emotes. Nah, I don't dress up as one. I mean, I'm a fan of Lion King. Hey, as a kid, Disney. I mean, man, if you don't like Lion King, whew, you must like Kimber. Are you a furry? Nah, I'm just strong as fuck. Nah. Just say those ones, eh? I only just found out what a furry is recently after watching Sonic Fox. I was like, oh, that's why he dresses up. Alright then. What are you thinking of dressing up for Halloween? We don't really do Halloween here, brother. Not the new Lion King. Yeah. So, with what happened, so they rang me up and they were asking me to get in contact with Broxh, but they didn't know it was me. And that's when I had that little Tony Stark moment saying, oh, I'm Broxh. And she goes, oh, hello. Yeah. And all that. And they asked, oh, so we were wondering if... Oh, so they're saying she was wondering if she could meet me like off schedule from her little trip she did here in Rotorua. And it was cool. My only thing was no media. Don't really care about the media. But she told me, no, don't worry about it. There won't be media because my visit was off her schedule. Like no one knew about it. And then so the morning of the day she turned up on stream, security had to come through and just come and scope out the house. And they're asking, oh, is there any like suspicious people that live around here? So oh, there's this family there like drinking, that's about it. And yeah, other than that, I was all good. I was carving that morning too, and yeah, I seen the Glocks that they had, and I was like, fuck, there's a little gun. But yeah, when it came to the day when she was starting to turn up, security came back and they were just chilling. And I asked one of the head of security if he wanted to have a carve. And he goes, oh, okay then. Yeah, he did it on stream. It's funny, he is trying to stay calm and not muck it up. But yeah, it was cool. And then I saw the vehicle pull up like tinted there, so I knew it was her. And then yeah, I was buzzing up. I was like, she actually turned up. She wants to meet me. I don't know why. But yeah, we were just having a talk. And before she jumped in front of the camera, just asking how I've been and what's my babies, how old, you know, just normal talk. Like, we didn't really talk about politics at all or anything. We just picture like just someone
coming over for a visit to have a bit of a talk, and yeah, and then leaving. That's how the stream was, and like from what I felt from talking to her, she has a good wairua, like a good vibe about her, and really down to earth too, really chill person as well. And she told me to do a hair flick, and that was the day I chose not to brush my hair at all too. That one day, and she turned up. And then I took my hair out, and she goes, "Wow, it's amazing." I went, "Oh, don't lie, I didn't even brush it." But other than that, yeah, she was really cool. Gave her a turn on the carving, and she didn't do too bad. And yeah, I just left it on there. Didn't need any fixing up, and had our time on the stream, and then walked with her back to her vehicle and just talked again and having a good old laugh. And she was buzzing out at Rain's KFC emote. And then from there I just said, "Okay, I'll see you later. It was good to meet you." I couldn't hug her, I couldn't shake her hand, just because of what was happening at the time. And but after that it was cool. Like, she left, big sigh of relief. Even after I finished the stream, I took my jersey off and my back was covered in sweat just from being nervous. But that's definitely something that I'm going to remember. Like, I didn't even think I'd meet a Prime Minister. I mean, I didn't really want to for a while. But with her, yeah, she's cool. She's really cool. Oh, and my sister-in-law's ringing. One moment. Hello? She's in the room. Her phone's flat. What's up? Yeah. No, it's all good. Do you want me to tell you something? Oh, now? Oh, you finished for the day? Oh, my bad. Okay. See ya. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was a conversation on the phone. But yeah, that's Auntie Jacinda. So she was wondering why we call her Auntie amongst like our generation and a few others. So I call her Auntie just out of respect for her and how she is as a person. And I'll continue to call her that even when she leaves. No, I saw my ringtone. Yeah, no. Oh my god, he's a weeb! Jeez. My bad if I missed your comments. Did the PM just call him? Nah, that was my sister-in-law. She was asking for a ride because she finished work early. But my bad. Thank you guys. I know you have said you make a relationship with people who are buying. But how can I get in contact with you for that? Barbara, I have an email on my Twitter. But at the moment, my commission list is pretty much full. Cheer, Tom. Weird for older people in the PM to call it Auntie. Oh, I mean, it's up to you, eh? Like, even when the video went live, man, the amount of troll accounts that we made, like the comments we were looking out for. Like, oh man, that Tonka truck dude got me quite good, eh? What a good laugh. Broxh, you lost your humble. I was like, I never even claimed I was. And I went on his YouTube channel and just like this 40-year-old man playing with Tonka trucks. in the middle of nowhere. I was like, oh, alright then. Sorry about you, Chief Walla Walla. You getting a new console, sticking a PC? I'll get a PS5, no doubt, because I've always been PlayStation since I was a kid. But they're pretty much all sold out here, so just gotta wait till next year. It's all good. God of War's not out till next year anyway. I was looking at that, what is it, Gods 4? That game looks quite cool. Yeah, bro, Tonka trucks. I didn't even know they still made those. I was like, shit, alright then. Guess I'll go buy me a Hot Wheels Lightning McQueen car. Give you the old ka-chow. I'm into that, need that new God of War here. Such a good game, eh? Such a good game. Looks a little like Destiny. Yeah. Love me a good hack and slash game. Oh, okay. I see you. I see you. Alright then. A saucy dog, yo, thank you for the bit, brother. Much appreciated. Oh man, I should brush my hair. I just washed it this morning too. You ever played Mount and Blade? Nah, brother. Nah, not at all. So you can tell I haven't washed it or brushed it because it's wavy hair. Okay, here we go for the bro. Few more. How long have you grown it? This long? Oh, how long? 2014, but I've cut it a few times. Jason Momoa, let's do a hair ad. You could sell your hair for a lot of money. No, not for sale. Not for sale. Not for sale. Woo. Yep, that's my hair. He doesn't look like Moana, he looks like Maui. Oh, someone calling me Moana. What a sad guy. Who does that emote belong to, Mile? Hey, Brox's first time here, how you doing? Kriha! Hey brother, yeah, I'm doing good. Just finished a few hair flicks. Other than that, brother, yeah, I'm all good, brother. Hope you are too. Hope you're doing well with what's going on. Samoan Jesus. Oh, gotta be Samoan first, brother. Hey, Brox's big fan. Hey, Kentos. Oh, 4 months, brother. Thank you. You didn't have to, though. But thank you, brother. Broxh is just a chunky Jason Momoa. Oh, no, fat shame. Nah, much appreciated, brother. Pine Fuse. Chur Pine Fuse for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my man, much appreciated. Welcome to the whānau. Hope you're doing well. We all know what's going on in the world, brother, so just hold on to your sub money. You can use it on yourself. Or maybe just go buy food, eat it, and think of me going, I'm proud of you. Now smash it all. Smash it all! Oh! Metatox. Yo, thank you, Metatox. Oh, bloody hell. 5 of them. Thank you, Metatox, for the 5 gifted subs, brother. Jesus. Oh, God. Anonymous gifted a tier 3. You know how much those are? Jeez. Didn't have to. Oh, I see what you did there. Alright. Who owns didn't have to? Alright, who owns didn't have to? Money to burn. Oh. No. Save your money, go to In-N-Out Burger so I can just admire the burger. That's somewhere I want to go eat. Those look yum. Morning, Deza. I'm so happy for your success. I love seeing you grow this much on this platform. You absolutely deserve this. Thank you, Andy Rowe. Thank you, brother. Just happy to do it with you guys, man. Maguboo. Hello, Maguboo. Thank you very much for the sub, my dude. You didn't have to, but thank you very much. Now I will be right back because I want to go give me some almonds. There is no In-N-Out Burger in Germany. Bro, it feels bad, man. There's none here too. I watch Bradley Martin. Oh, he makes them look nice. Nice jokey, mate. Nice jokey. Got me almonds checked, so we're good to go. My stomach won't feel like it's eating itself. So we can carry on. Chur doi. Fan man with a limp. Chur doi. I know that word. Doi is a very familiar word to me. Where you from, bro? Don't tell me that you cut. Yeah. Why are you always wearing gumboots, my man? I hate them, so I always notice them. Well, these are my everyday shoe, brother. People out here wearing Air Force Ones. I'm wearing Red Band gumboots, which happens to be the Air Force One of the gumboot world inside New Zealand, so everyone buys them and wears them in town or in everyday life because it's the most comfortable gumboot you can have here in New Zealand, and it's the most well modelled one. So there. Are those the Tamari ones? Nah, I got the wrong ones. The Tamari ones are on. Yo, Conjured, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Didn't have to, brother. They should sponsor you. Nah, they're all good. You ever put any stain on your or lacquer on your carvings? Yeah, I've used stains in lacquer. I might actually get some in for the stream. We should just try and like have a mass, like we'll produce quite a few pieces, and we could even think about having a staining stream. Oh no! Anonymous cheerer, thank you very much for the bits. Oh, that's a pretty cool ghost animation too. Why you gonna be anonymous? Thank you, man, much appreciated. Wood carving food critic sensual. Magubu. Oh man, thank you for the bits, brother. Man, you don't have to do that, brother. Cole's Cookies should sponsor Just for Kicks. I mean, yeah, man. They should, eh? Cole's Cookies are the best. What would be, Kobe, the Cole's Cookie equivalent? Oh, how do I say this? What would be the Cole's Cookie of America? Like the meanest cookie there? This is how I picture Jiske. Just, he's like, hey bro, come here, come in. And you're going down his alleyway and then he pulls his coat out. Want any biscuits? Which one you want? You want this one? You want this one? And then don't tell anyone. I wish I could zoom. Same. For nacho lines, yeah, I forgot to do it. I've just been busting out the nacho lines here and there. Takaresu, Maya. Just. The market has been cornered for decades by the Girl Scouts. Oh, yeah. I hear those are pretty good though, Girl Scout cookies. You make this look easy. Not gonna lie, it's not. But I think just years of practice. I'm still practicing today. For me, every day is a learning day. Like you're always gonna learn something new every day. Just like me yesterday when I pulled out my Pokemon cards, I learned that I didn't get Charizard and I was really feels bad, man. Oh, Magubu. Bro, your name's throwing me off for some slang we have here too, Magubu. But Magubu, thank you very much, brother. Really appreciate it. Just no, you don't have to, brother. It's all good to watch for free, but thank you, brother. So we have a slang word here for so it's actually just amongst all the bros. So Magubu, and we have a slang word called Miagaboo for your girlfriend. So that's our Miagaboo. Yeah, definitely, JT. I'll be a student for the rest of my life. Let other people call you master and all that. Oh, they pretty much do, because it has to be bestowed on you by a tribe, by the tribe. Oh, is that not tight? Yes, it is. Village, oh, much appreciated, my brother. Blessings from Iceland, my dude. Oh, Margaboos from Iceland. Hey, brother. Damn, you must be tall, eh? That is definitely one place I would love to visit in the future. Iceland. A good trick I used to get Pokemon cards is to get a bunch of small packs. Many small packs, better charge at the same price. Oh yeah. I only just want to try and pull that the Gigantamax Charizard. The coloured and the rainbow red. I'm done. Oh, and I want the gold Rillaboom too, the shiny one. But I don't know where to get that one from. Because the pack I got yesterday, yeah, it was only $7. I was like, oh, okay, give it a go for a laugh. It is looking very good. Thank you, man. You ever just get headbutted by your kid out of nowhere? Yeah, all the time. I've been like heel kicked. She sat on my face. She gave me a bit of a backhand yesterday. Yeah. Chur NZ's favourite shiny nephew. Ah, there he is. Mr. Cookie himself. Chur, my bro, how are you? We were just talking about you too. We were rubbishing you. Nah. Chur, my bro. How's everything? Chur, those are knocks. That's Mr. Worldwide himself. We don't have a cat, so nah. Not allowed pets where we're renting, unfortunately. I mean, we've been here for like 8 years. But our landlord sold up and we got a new one. Pretty good. Last to do for Mahi then on a holiday. Oh, nice, my bro. How's those shoes coming along? Those wavy ones. Sorry, bro, I don't know the name other than me. Bacon bits. Yo, Chur, bacon bits for the gifted sub. Oh, sub, sorry. 1 minute both. I'll just eat my lunch. I'll only be a few seconds. I'll be so mad. Hold on, partner. Don't be a smart ass. They're in front of it. No. What did they say? I know just for kicks, didn't he?
They said slaying back the munchies.
Much better, much better. Can you take this cup back inside? Thank you. What do they say? Hey, Mrs. Broxh. Oh,
Hello.
I think they can see your pig trotters. No. Any plastic bottles lying around? Yeah, that's just us fun. We give each other shit all the time. But I love her. I love her. Hello, Kamomo. Has even more of a soothing voice. Trust me. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for her voice. The eggs were a lie. A lie. They give me no eagle powers. Maybe sort of pregnant woman, brother. Bro, you fell for her voice? Nah. Chur, akupa. Chur, brother. They give me no nutrients. They give me no nutrients. Okay, I need to watch it now. I really need to watch that movie. Hello from Tasmania. Hey, Wellesley. They give me no equal powers. I was thinking the same thing. Okay, let's just finish this side. Head's almost done. Not gonna lie, I'm not liking the look of it. The cuts. I really want to redo them. We can do that later. His hair is number one. His thumb is number one. Emo Tarzan, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Can you do a stereotypical Cholo accent? Okay, now I haven't watched Friday in a long time. I'll give it my best. You got something to say, bitch of my Auntie? Hey, you hit my dog, homie. Now he's scarred. He's scarred. Chico, get the fuck over here, Chico. No, I can't do it, Come here, baby Joker. Come inside, baby Joker. I can't do it, It's hard. Not gonna lie, I feel low-key like I shouldn't do it. But my bad to my Hispanic whānau. You know what clip I've enjoyed? Now I don't know if he's Hispanic or anything, but he's going viral on TikTok. He's this guy and he's just on a skateboard with his cranberry juice, and he's singing the song. Have you guys seen that clip? But it's one of the most vibiest clips I've ever seen. DJ Pony D in IG, much appreciated, guys, for the subs. You didn't have to. Yeah, Dogface. Yeah. Bro, that video, bro. Or is he American Indian? He looks like he might have ties to both, because of his feathers. His tattoo could be a representation of that. That clip made me thirsty, if anything. Love your videos, man. We're watching almost everyone for 3 months, even though it's like 1 AM. Damn. Wednesday's Day. Greetings from Norway. Thank you, Special B2030. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, my dude. Wasn't expecting him to sing. That is a vibe. Yeah. TikTok. Okay, Zuma. Get out of here. Is it banned in your country? Can someone of my age even be considered a Zoomer? I don't think so. Kid. Someone I would like to see do to that version is C's. I reckon he could pull that off really well. What is a Zoomer? I don't know. Just something to make shit of the younger generation, like how there's Boomer and all that shit. I seen Panda make a video on it and I'm like, oh, funny that. Like, there's Zuma, there's Boomer, and he was saying all these other ones too. And I'm like, jeez. A millennial. I was born in the 90s, so isn't the millennials 2000 up? I'm almost 30, so if I'm a boomer, I don't mind, because then I can run up to you and boom, you're gone. No. You wanna win. 1990 to 9. Oh, true. I didn't even know that. Timotheum. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. Hey, true, te haifo. Zoomers be zooming. Oh, I mean, I take my time, so can I be considered a zoomer? I'm more of a tortoise. September 30th for me? Yep, you're most definitely correct, brother. I thought I was doing Mythic Nazoth today, but lucky I'm not, so it's all good. Hold on, find it. Oh, oh no, bless me on a rocket ship. Emo people then gloomers. Oh, doom and gloom guys, eh? With the flicky front hair bit. I only found out what an emo was when I moved out of the bush. So fucking hell, what's up with these guys? Looking all dark and all that. What's your opinion on the current conflict between Armenia? Working clueless, I have absolutely no idea because I don't watch news or TV. I only watch Shortland Street, Home and Away, Neighbours and Twitch. And that's on demand. Oh, don't be like that, brother. I was emo. Oh, were you? True, brother. Broxes. Sylvanus is the definition of an emo. I'm a Schumacher. Michael Schumacher? Michael Shoemaker? Finally caught a stream. Welcome, brother. Welcome. I like punky music. What is considered punky music? Like Panic at the Disco and all them. I used to sit around taking full-on fringe covering the eye pictures. Nice. Where was it?
It's in the cubby.
Oh, thank you, Dora. Much appreciated. Now you go on and have a hoot nanny all the time inside. There you go. People who like to take care of themselves are groomers. I'm a groomer. I like washing my hair, brushing it, and washing my ass. So what would be someone who doesn't like clean their room, like just paru? How tall are you, Broxh? I can't even answer that myself, brother, because I don't measure myself in my free time. Sorry. Sorry, my dear old. When your fantasy has ended, all the children are gone. Something good inside me helps me to carry on. I ate some bugs, I ate some grass. I use my hand to wipe my tears. To kiss your mouth. Those who love to shop are consumers. The heart is the strongest muscle. Okay, pop, 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 pop. Here we go. One more cut here. Oh yeah. Gen Z, are you Zoomers? Gen Z? Jeez, this sounds like Gen G from League. Gen G has taken the top lane. Oh my god. Feels bad, man. None of the teams I watch are in at the moment in the Worlds. Who's playing music in the background, Broxh? The iPad. It's one of my favourite supports. Just for the way he is. And shields are awesome. The Mongolian rock band. Yeah, bro, I've heard them. Ah, that's something else, eh? Yeah, bro, I've heard that band. Yankees. Oh, I don't watch baseball, brother. don't even know anyone that plays basketball. And I'm streaming, so I can't. I gotta finish this. Okay, let's fix these up. Juicy booty tonight. Did you say Z or Z? None? I feel like this chat just slowed down his work. Oh, but it's been like that since I started, but that's what I love about it, talking with people. That's what I love about Twitch. Making connections, making whānau. Having in-depth conversations about food. Getting everyone to shout out where they're from, because I love to see that kind of stuff. Don't forget those who are late bloomers. Okay, now let's fix up the other side. Starting from the back. Fellow island brother here in Indonesia. Hey bro, Long Island, New York, Pennsylvania. Yo, let's go. And I love every minute, JT. As long as you love it, brother. Nothing wrong with it. When I go running, I wear my Pumas. Oh, okay. Cool. How did I miss Puma? Island gang, hey brother. How the fuck are ya? I've met a lot of Irish people within tourism. Man, they're bloody life of the party when you go to a pub, eh? So usually the people, like in Rugby World Cups, the ones I usually go for after the All Blacks. Like these are the three teams I go for: is the All Blacks, South Africa, Ireland and Scotland. Have you seen Snatch? Like that old ass bank heist movie? That one. Max Power! Thank you very much for the bits, mate. You didn't have to. Well, much appreciated, brother. What kind of image are you sculpting? It's it's nothing from any like TV show. It's traditional Maori wood carving. So these are like, so I'm just carving the design on the head. And these are kind of like our portraits of our ancestors. But this one in particular is no ancestor, because this is probably going to be sold, and it's not a good idea to sell your own ancestor. That's why it doesn't have a name. The name of this particular piece though is a Poupou. Nah, it's not a taniwha either. Big smoke clicking bell. Can I have a number 9 lodge, 2 chips with extra dip. Any other cultures specifically? You said you'd like to visit Iceland, and I would like to see more of your culture. Should I say, yeah, I mean, but the only way to do that is by learning from the people properly, or trying to do it through like with a picture of one. But at the moment, oh, Team Rocket needs to be stopped. At the moment, yeah, I'll just stick to my culture. Oh, I thought someone was here. Nope. Sorry, this is taking long. What's our time? Damn, it's 1. Those who wait for the shadows are loomers. Would you ever carve anything from Poe? It's very based around Maori. Yeah, I've seen a few Maori carving references in Poe. Geez, I wouldn't know how to play that game, eh? I don't like Quinn in them. I just play well. But yeah, I'm open to playing Poe, streaming it too. I was streaming it for a while there. Did I know what I was doing? Hell no. Getting rid of all the excess wood. Now these are starting to take shape. After all we've been doing. Oh man, my koro's always gone for Scotland and Ireland, and I pretty much jumped on his wagon when I was 3 too, ever since. Would someone that makes floating rubber rings be a tuber? A tuber. But what about those guys that play the tuba? They might get like confused. And be like, what? Okay.
Going against the grain. Geez, someone's talking excessively loud. Looking good, thanks brother. Yeah, I'll stop for a bit and have a talk. At the end of the day, we're all just getting goobers. Thought it was goofy goobers. If I make a mistake when I'm carving, it's fuba. What does fuba mean? Fucked up but alright? That's honestly amazing. Ah, thanks. Yeah, it's alright, fella. Much appreciated, eh? I'm a goofy goober! Rock! Dun, 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 dun. Pretty much. Okay, next one. Yeah, sorry, you gotta do them one by one, whānau, just so I can get them all looking the same, or kind of. I could go faster, but where's the fun in there? Age 12, well, you started learning horribly. Horribly? What do you mean? It's been a while. When they're coming out with a new season of My Hero, oh, I have no idea, bro. I'm gonna go to sleep now. My sleep schedule's botched. Chur Whanau. Chur, brother. Have a good sleep, my bro. Wait, the last one has double meaning. What are we talking about? Well, I should say, what are you talking about? Hold on. Bit of hand. Boom. Yeah, he's looking much better. Kia ora from Auckland, Broxh. Chur, Zach Griffin. Chur, brother. I could go faster, but where's the fun in that? Oh, this is oh, Chur, Whakairo. Yeah. I'll just, yeah. Choose to just take my time and then just enjoy it. Just like moulding, that's like one of the easiest processes. You can probably gun that out in an hour depending on the piece that you're doing, but it's just about, yeah, enjoying it for me. Hey, you going to town? Are you going to meet Miss? Do I want anything? Oh, PS5. Hey, money in the jacket, what a score. Can I have a Big Mac that'll make me skinny? Nah, I don't want anything. The poll doesn't work here, yeah, because you'll make too many and they'll be out the gate. What's the sound in the background? So if you're wondering who the band is, so their name is LAB. They're the only band that's given me the okay to play their music from the label and the band themselves. Since all this DMCA business came into play.
which is real feels bad, man, but oh well. Just gotta go with it, really. I might hit up my old carving tutor. He knows. Oh, he used to play with House of Shem. Might see if it's okay, or talk to them first. Oh, the giant nuggets. Which ones do you get touched by a turtle?